everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to National Bank of Canada online banking accounts. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice to get started. In the URL box, type in www.nbc.ca and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official webpage of National Bank of Canada. The National Bank of Canada is known to be the 6th largest commercial bank in Canada. You can easily access your online banking account right from your mobile devices or your computer with a few simple steps. In order to do that, go to the top right hand corner from the main home page and click the sign in drop down. Select your online transaction type, which is the personal right now. Let's click it on. On the next page, you'll be able to see the sign in area on the right hand side of the screen. Start off by typing in your email ID in the first text box. Make sure to enter the same email associated with your internet banking account. And once you do that, head over to the next field and type in your correct password. If you happen to forget your password during logging in, you can click on the forgotten password link and follow the instructions till the end. If you want the system to remember your email ID, check this little remember my email ID box, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. After filling in both of your credentials, click on the sign in button and you'll be able to log in and access your National Bank of Canada online banking account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.